ladies and gentlemen, that was a hard crash. Holly not happy down there, understandably so. Preston Hum with a lot of damage to the rear of that machine. I doubt that car will continue. Everybody needs to stay over the wall. Nobody else over the racetrack, please. Keep everybody off the speedway. Let the drivers talk it out down there. We don't need the crews involved. We don't need things to get out of control here. It's only race number 2 of the year, you guys.